Today, making rice in a pot, and the very first thing we need to do is rinse that rice. By rinsing the rice, we're removing the surface starch from the rice grains, which can make it really gummy as it cooks. So you'll see it's quite cloudy the first time, second time gets a little less cloudy, and the third time it's not quite clear, but we've removed a lot of that starch, and that's good enough. Now we got that final rinse underway, and we're going to add a trick I learned in Hawaii. That's to add the water just to your first knuckle line of your finger. Works on any size hand. It's the perfect way to add the perfect amount of water to make perfect rice. And the total cook time is about 20 minutes, and we're heating the rice up in a medium to high heat till it boils, giving it a quick stir just so it doesn't stick on the bottom. And once you get that light boil like that, we're going to cover it. And about midway through, in about 10 minutes, just go ahead and, because it's a pot, we want to stir the bottom, make sure none of the rice is sticking to the bottom. Then put the cover back on, and in about another 10 minutes or so, check it. And that should be it. And once all that water is pretty much absorbed, it's time to fluff with a fork, take it off the heat, let it stand for about 5 minutes, and you're all set. Practice makes perfect. Enjoy. See you next time.